Welcome to Mexico!
Just before we were locked down and travel came to a halt, we booked an all-inclusive vacation to the Excellence Riviera Cancun. Here's a tour of the resort and what we thought about our stay.
Well, hello there! Welcome to our junior suite here at the Excellence Riviera Cancun.
The Excellence Riviera Cancun is an all-inclusive resort that's located between Cancun and Playa del Carmen. For a couple that's here to relax, it is great. I highly recommend having a room that has its own plunge pool because this is not a couples-only resort. It's an adults resort, so that means there are a lot of people partying. So we were grateful to have our own quiet little oasis here.
Come on in. Beautiful king-size bed. We have a second level that goes up to a plunge pool and a whole sitting area. I can't wait to take a look at that. We have a second balcony here. Man, I know I'm going to be enjoying a week here of relaxation. All right. My favorite part of the room. Not a bad way to spend the day, right? Nice mojito, plunge pool, and a beautiful view.
Our two-level junior suite had all the amenities we needed. It overlooked 2 pools and the ocean. We had free room service and a fully stocked minibar. A week cost us $5,200 US, including flights from Toronto.
And here's the minibar.
Got some beer.
White wine, sodas.
Got some premium alcohol.
Champagne time. Woo! Yeah!
Well, I have to say the Excellence really goes all out for its theme nights. There's been several while we were here, and tonight it is Bollywood night. They've got a Bollywood dinner set up, and you feel like you're in a little bit of India. One of our favorite things about our stay was the entertainment. There was a wide variety of acts and everyone was extremely talented. There was something to keep us entertained all day and into the night. I do think that the Excellence Riviera Cancun here in Puerto Morales has the best beach. They clean the seaweed off first thing in the morning. We didn't see it. It's a great long sandy strip that we walk every day with our coffees. One of my favorite places in the resort is the cappuccino place where I go into the coffee shop and get my pastry and cappuccino to start the day. It's excellent, and I love my walk on the beach. It does have a lot of chairs on the beach, so you really don't have to fight for a spot. We've been finding actually there are a lot of chairs available. Lots of places by the pool and on the water, so it's a great place to chill out and relax for a week or maybe 2. If you want one of these covered cabanas, you have to come early in the morning because they fill up fast, but they do have a lot of them. And the good thing is, if you leave it unoccupied for 45 minutes, the staff picks it up and puts all of your belongings in the lost and found, so people can't just hoard it all day long. I think that's a great benefit. But having our own private suite with the rooftop plunge pool, we have our own lounge chairs up here and it's worked perfectly for us. We enjoyed the spa the most during our stay at the resort, and their water circuit is the best. We had 3 treatments while we were there, and they had daily specials to make it quite affordable. This is certainly the place that we love hanging out. It's the lazy river, it's the quiet place. You can just hear the gentle spa music playing and nobody's being rowdy. It's really fantastic.
Beautiful setting and great food. Perfect.
They have a lot of different theme restaurants. My favorite was the Tapas Bar. They have a Mexican restaurant. They have an Asian restaurant. I didn't think that the teppanyaki was worth standing in line for 45 minutes to make my reservation. If you have done a teppanyaki show before, this one was really lacking. There was one flame, and then it just felt rushed to get us through to get the next crowd in. But the staff was always excellent.
When it comes to dining here at Excellence, there's lots of different options. You can be inside, do buffet, sit down for a la carte outside, like here at the Lobster House. There's lots of different choices. Well, surprise, they have a Mexican restaurant here called Agave. We're kicking things off with traditional margaritas. Definitely the tapas place here at Excellence has been my favorite. Great small dishes, great choices, and wow, what a dessert.
They really do a great job keeping you entertained. With bands and games and theme nights, you know, you really do never have to leave the resort. If you want to have a vacation that's all-inclusive and you want to sit back and relax, it is great for that here at Excellence. There are so many bars here at the resort. You can start drinking first thing in the morning if you want. It's all inclusive. But we prefer to have a coffee or two to start out. They have a great cafe where we have a cappuccino and a latte and some baked goods. So it's really great. But if you want to have your mimosa, you can have it right here by the pool starting first thing in the morning.
You gotta come to the pool bar. You get a little bit of cooling off with a little bit of booze.
Well, the late night entertainment is karaoke here at the sports bar. Well, walking on the beach is great, and we do that every morning. I love it. We found this nice walking path too that's about 1 kilometer around on the outside of the resort, and it's shaded with palm trees, and if you want to go for a jog, it's nice because it's all solid concrete, and it's really pleasant to just break up your day a little bit from around the pool. So all in all, we enjoyed the Excellence Riviera Cancun. I think that for your intro into the luxury, all-inclusive, adults-only hotels here in Mexico, I think it's a great introduction. If you enjoyed our video, be sure to subscribe and click the bell for updates because we put up a new video each week.